questions I will be doing. Please see here. So coming to motion medicine, children, some important questions I will be doing. See here. First question. A particle is moving in circular path. A particle is moving in circular path. Okay. What will be the displacement after half of a rotation? Half rotation. After distance and displacement after rotation, a particle is coming from here to here. What will be its distance and displacement in half rotation? What is distance, children? It is going only half of the circle. So 2 pi r is full circle by 2. So distance is pi r. Distance is pi r. Distance is pi r, children. And displacement is shortest distance. So this is r.
Diameter.
2r. 2r. Okay. Same question if I ask you, what is the distance and displacement after full circle? After full circle, it is coming from here to here. So 2 pi r.
The distance 2 pi r and displacement 0.
Displacement is 0 because it is coming to the same point. Because it is coming to the same point, displacement remains 0. Because it is coming to the same point, displacement is 0. Because it is coming to the same point, displacement is 0. Second question. What is the mathematical ratio of displacement and distance for a moving object? What is the ratio of displacement by distance for a moving object in straight line? If a body is moving in a straight line, what will be the numerical ratio? Is it less than 1, equal to 1, more than 1, equal or less than 1? Children, is always less than 1, equal to 1, greater than 1, equal or less than 1? Equal or less than 1. Children, displacement by distance ratio, it will be equal if they go in straight line. But if they change, suppose like this it is going, like this it is going, distance will be more, displacement will be less. Always distance will be more, displacement will be less. So when body is not going in straight line, then it will be less than 1. Then it will be less than 1. Try to understand. Okay. So if a body is going in a straight line, distance, displacement and distance will be equal. Displacement and distance will be equal to 1. But if a body is going like this and like this, displacement and displacement will be less. Distance will be more. Anything less by more if you do, you'll get less than 1. Anything less by more if you do, you'll get less than 1. You'll be getting less than 1. So children, you should be very, very careful, children, like this question. Okay. Next question. 1 second. Next question. Please keep listening, children. In which of the following cases of motion, distance moved and magnitude of displacement? Children, when will be distance and displacement equal? If a body goes in straight line without moving, even literal also should not move. If a body is going in a straight line, distance and displacement will be equal. If a body is going in a straight line, distance and displacement will be equal. Suppose if a body is going like this and like this whole thing is distance, this is displacement. Suppose if body is going like this, like this, like this is distance, but this one will be displacement. Suppose the body is going like this and like this is distance, but this will be displacement. So displacement is always less than distance or equal to distance, but more than distance it can never be. Displacement will not be more than distance. Displacement will not be more than distance. Fourth question. Suppose a boy is enjoying a ride on a merry-go-round which is moving with a constant speed of 10 meters per second. Children, a merry-go-round is there, children. It is going at constant speed of 10 meters per second. What does it mean? Does it mean body is moving with no acceleration, or with acceleration, or going with uniform velocity, or is it rest? Can anyone say answer? A body is moving with 10 meters per second. Is it going with no acceleration, constant acceleration, uniform velocity, or is it rest? Anyone answer?
Sir, constant acceleration.
Body is going same 10 meters per second only, it is not increasing. Body is going at same speed 10 meters per second.
No acceleration.
Uniform velocity.
No acceleration, uniform velocity, rest. Anyone? Body is going at 10 meters per second only. Wow, like this. Anyone in the class?
Uniform velocity, sir.
Uniform Uniform
Velocity.
Velocity.
Uniform velocity. Everyone will say uniform velocity, but the answer is uniform acceleration. By uniform acceleration, also you should be in a position to answer. Children, continuously body is changing its position continuously like this. At this point it is 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 like this. Displacement is changing continuously. Because displacement is changing, the rate of change of displacement means velocity is the rate of change of velocity means acceleration. So body is moving with constant acceleration. Answer is body is moving with constant acceleration because continuously direction of velocity is changing. Continuously direction of velocity is changing. Continuously direction of velocity is changing. That's why it is moving with constant acceleration. Anything which is moving in a circle, we will say it is having acceleration because direction of velocity is changing. So what you may ask, velocity is a vector quantity. Both magnitude and direction is important. Both magnitude and direction is important. So because velocity is changing continuously, direction, the magnitude is phi only, but direction is changing. No, if direction is changing, means acceleration is there. That's all. Because velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Any body which is moving in a circle is said to have acceleration because this direction is changing. If direction is changing, means velocity is changing. If direction is changing, means velocity is changing. Sir, phi only, no sir, you may say yes, phi only, but direction is changing means acceleration. That's all. Okay, children, be careful. You have to be very, very careful with your answers. Next question. What does slope of VT graph gives? Anyone? Slope of
Distance, sir.
VT.
Displacement. Displacement.
Distance or displacement? Slope of VT
Displacement,
graph.
sir.
Displacement.
Distance or displacement? Anyone?
Displacement, sir.
Displacement.
Distance or displacement? Velocity time graph. Velocity. Yes, anyone? Is it distance or displacement?
Distance.
Yes. Not even a single student in the class. Telling correct answer.
Displacement.
Sir, I think it's displacement.
Okay.
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. Okay, children, no problem. Okay, be careful, children. It is an acceleration. I just wanted to mislead you. That's why it was. It's an acceleration. I told you millions of times. Area of velocity time graph gives you displacement. Area. Slope means acceleration because acceleration is equal to velocity by time. Slope of VT graph gives acceleration. No distance, no displacement. Area of VT graph gives displacement. Area of VT graph gives. I did not ask area. I asked you just only slope. Slope of VT graph gives acceleration. Children, I may mislead you, but you should not get misled. That is only I want. Confidence is important for me. Acceleration. One of the students told acceleration, but when I told distance or displacement, they were selecting among them. But answer is acceleration. Okay, children, no problem. Here you are learning. I am saying no problem. But don't do such mistakes in exam. Be confident with your subject, children. So slope of VT graph gives acceleration. Okay, children, next question. Children, I will give it to you. Can you tell me what does it mean? This is the velocity time graph. What does this mean?
Sir, at rest.
Rest.
Yes.
Uniform velocity.
Uniform velocity. Suppose 5 meters per second is there. It is going with 5 meters per second. Only. Time is changing. It is going at same speed. So answer is uniform velocity. When this will become rest, if it is a distance time graph, then the body is said to be rest. In distance time graph, this is said to be a rest because it is at same distance. Time is changing, but this is at same distance, so it is a rest. Here, at 5 meters per second only, it is going always. So this is uniform velocity or zero acceleration. Uniform velocity or zero acceleration. Okay, children, no problem. Someone said the answer. Very, very good, children. Okay, next week. They're asking, what does area under VT graph give?
Distance, sir.
Distance.
Displacement.
Displacement.
Area of velocity means displacement. Speed means distance. If I say velocity, you should say displacement. If I say speed, you should say distance because speed is equal to distance by time. And velocity is equal to displacement by
Displacement by
time.
time.
Okay, children, be careful, children. It is the area of VT gravity is displacement. Area of VT gravity is what, children? Displacement. Area of VT gravity is what, children? Displacement.
Displacement.
Okay, area of VT gravity is displacement. Very good, children. Very good. You people are immensely involved today. Everyone are saying answers. Good. Assertion and reasoning, children. Assertion and reasoning. Okay, get to the children. I will give you assertion. I will give you reasoning. Listen carefully, then tell me answers. First, I will tell you answers. Answer A is assertion is correct. Reasoning is correct. Assertion, reasoning is correct explanation of assertion. Answer B is assertion correct, reasoning correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Answer C, assertion is true, reasoning is false. Answer D, assertion is wrong, reasoning is true. Okay, children, be careful, be careful. First, assertion. I'm telling you assertion, all of you listen, children. Displacement may be zero. He's saying displacement may be zero, but corresponding distance may not be zero. May not be zero. This is assertion. Reason. Displacement in distance covered may not always equal. Displacement and distance covered may not be equal. Yes, children, anyone answer? Children, in a circular motion, there will be distance. How much is the distance? 2 pi r. But what
Sir,
is the
option A.
displacement? 0. Okay, in circular motion, distance is there, but displacement is 0. Distance is there, but displacement is 0. Okay, so distance and displacement may not be equally same, but correct. This is not correct explanation.
Ma'am, sir, option B.
It's not correct. Correct explanation means you should give some example and you should explain. Displacement distance may not be equal. We know that, but here displacement 0 he did not explain. So reasoning is correct. Assertion also correct, but reasoning is not correct explanation of assertion. So option B is the answer. Wisely you have to choose, children. Wisely, very wisely, because many people will say A is also correct, but you should choose reason wisely. He did not give this example. Displacement 0 example like this he should give. Then we can say. Okay, children. Those who did not understand, one more question we will discuss assertion reasoning. Please see here, children. I am reading assertion. Clearly see all of you. A boy riding on bicycle in a crowded street exhibits non-uniform motion. There is so much crowd, children. There's so much crowd in the street. So a person goes with non-uniform motion. Is assertion correct, children? Is assertion correct? If it is
Yes, sir.
crowded, we
Yes,
can't
sir.
go with
Yes,
uniform
sir.
velocity. Yes or no? We have to
Correct.
correct.
Yes, sir.
This is correct. Assertion is correct. Let's check reasoning. Displacement and sorry. Yeah. The boy covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Boy covers.
Sir, option C.
Sir, C, sir. Assertion is correct, reason is wrong.
See, sir.
So he's saying boy is covering equal distances and equal intervals of time. Is reasoning correct, children?
No, sir.
Yes, no, sir. Reasoning is not correct. Assertion is correct.
Children,
Option C.
reason- Yeah, here, children, what happens? Boys, children, for this sake, he is trying to give reason. This is wrong reason. This is wrong reason. Assertion is correct. Reason is entirely wrong. So C is the answer. Okay. Next, number 3 question. Same assertion reasoning. Those who do not understand, try. Velocity is speed of an object in a particular direction. Velocity is speed of an object in particular direction. In particular direction. Velocity is speed of an object in particular direction. Reason. Reason is SI unit of velocity is same as speed. Velocity and speed units are same.
Sir, option B.
Option.
This is also correct. This is also correct. But this is not correct.
Yes, sir. Option B.
So answer is B option. See, children, very, very careful. You should know the subject very clearly, then only you'll be in a position to answer. If not, it goes children. How much you write here, you lose marks. A stone tied with a piece of thread, children, assertion. A stone is tied with a piece of thread. A stone is tied with a piece of thread, describing a circular path with constant velocity on being released, moves in a straight line. Children, he moved like this, like this, like this, like this, and released. When released, it moves in a straight line. It moves in a straight line. Reasoning. Along circular path, direction motion remains same. Along the circular path, direction of motion remains same. Around the circular path, direction of motion remains same. Yes, children, anyone answer? Is assertion correct or wrong? When you rotate, you leave it, it will go like this. This is correct. And I was telling you, whenever a body is moving in a circle, does the direction remain same? Does the direction
No,
remain
sir.
same?
It constantly differs.
It constantly changes. I told just now. I told you constantly. Reasoning is wrong. Assertion correct. Reasoning wrong. Option
C.
C. Option C. Option C, children. Option C. You should be very careful, children. One day, what I will do, all assertions and reasonings only I will get, children, so that you will become perfect, children. Okay. Some more questions on motion, children. Some more questions. Please, children, you should remember carefully all these things, and you should keep note down, and you have to go through them constantly. First question. Define motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to point. What do you mean by motion? What do you mean by motion? If a position of an object changes with respect to a point. What is motion? If a position of object changes with respect to one point. If position of an object changes with respect to one point, that body is said to exhibit motion. What is the simplest type of motion, children?
Motion along.
Linear motion or straight motion.
Linear motion is simplest type of motion, children. Are rest and motion absolute or relative terms, children? Rest and motion.
Relative, sir.
Relative, sir.
Relative. Can anyone say why?
Sir, if a body is said not to be in motion, it's at rest.
So, children, I will give you a nice example for everyone, children. It's relative. See, children, you are moving in a train, fast train. On a platform, one person is standing. You are moving fast. For you, this fellow is
At rest.
At motion.
at rest. Now, same another train is moving beside you. Same another train is moving beside you. With same speed, both are going at 100 km. Here you see one person from this window. But now for you, this fellow appears at
Motion.
rest only. That's what I'm telling you, right? He is also moving, he is also moving. But here for you, it is he is appearing at rest. Okay, when you are actually person standing also, he is appearing at rest. It's relative, children, it's relative. How it's relative means if you are moving, this person is appearing rest because really he is at rest. Correct. But here this one also moving, these also moving. Even though he is moving, for him, he is appearing at rest because it is relative in nature. For that person, you will appear as if you are moving. For that person who is at rest on the platform, you appear as if you are moving. If he is also in train, you appear to be stationary. Imagine like that, children. Person is seeing from the platform, a person moving in the train. Definitely, for him, this fellow is in motion. Now, this fellow is in also train. Now he appears to be rest. It is relative term. Okay, children? It is relative. Rest and motion are relative terms. Rest and motion are relative terms. Next one. Can an object be at rest as well as in motion at the same time?
No, sir.
Can an object be at rest and at the motion at the same time?
Yes, sir.
Now only I gave one example.
Sir,
Two
when
trains.
traveling in a bus also, sir.
Moving train and bus.
Now only I gave no children. Two people are moving at 100 km each. Same train. They are seeing each other. Actually, they are moving, but for each of them, they appear to be
At rest.
At rest, sir.
That's all. Yes. Okay. Is speed a scalar or vector quantity? Speed.
Scalar.
Speed is always scalar quantity because distance is scalar. Speed is scalar quantity. Okay, because distance is scalar. Okay, next. Give the examples of vector quantities. Vector quantities.
Displacement and velocity.
Velocity, displacement, acceleration.
Acceleration also, sir.
Force, work.
Work.
Why work? Because it is force into displacement.
Force into displacement.
Why force? Because it is velocity by
Velocity by time.
mass into acceleration.
Mass
Why
into
acceleration?
acceleration.
Because it is velocity by time.
Velocity by time.
Why velocity? Because it is displacement.
Displacement by time.
Overall culprit is displacement. Displacement is vector, so velocity is vector. Velocity is vector, so acceleration is vector. Acceleration is vector, so force is vector. Force is vector, so work is vector.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children? Next one. What indicates the motion of Earth? How can you say that Earth is moving? We are not able to see it, no children. How can you say Earth is moving? You are not moving, no children. It's not appearing to move, no. How can you say Earth is moving? Day and night, day and night are occurring, and even clouds are moving. You can see clouds are moving. Actually, clouds are not moving. You are moving. But for you, clouds appear to be moving. Actually, you are moving. Clouds are not moving. Clouds are in stationary only. You are moving. Or day and night is also a result of Earth motion only. Motion of the Earth. Okay, children. Next question. Last questions. Stop and then last 5 questions. What do you mean by displacement? What do you mean by displacement? Shortest distance between
Shortest path
Transition
covered.
from initial and final position.
shortest path between initial and final point.
Final position.
Suppose body is going like this, like this. What is displacement? A to B is displacement. Suppose body is going like this. What is displacement? A to B is called displacement. Suppose body is going like this, like this, like this. What is displacement? From here to here, this is displacement. Displacement is the shortest path between initial and final point. Displacement is shortest path between initial and final points. Displacement is shortest path between initial and final points. Next one. Is displacement a vector or scalar? Displacement.
Vector quantity.
Vector.
Vector quantity.
Because it has magnitude and direction. Displacement is very important. In which direction you are going is very, very, very important. Okay. Is the displacement of body zero? Is it necessary that distance also should be zero? If displacement is
No,
zero.
sir.
No.
Is the distance compulsory should be zero?
No, sir.
No,
in
sir.
which case, this is
Linear
In
distance.
circular motion.
This is distance, whereas displacement is zero.
Zero.
Distance is how much? 2 pi r. Displacement is how much? Zero.
Zero.
If you throw anybody up, it will go come. Distance is up and down. Displacement is
Zero.
zero. It is coming to your hands. It's coming to your hand. It's going from your hand, coming to your hand. It is zero displacement. What is displacement? Shortest path between initial and final point. Shortest path between. Can a displacement greater than distance?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Displacement can never be greater than distance. It may be equal or less, but can never be equal. Never be greater. Displacement is never greater than distance. Okay, children. Next, when do distance and displacement have same answer? When a distance and displacement are equal?
Sir, in linear motion.
Sir, when they are linear motion.
When they are going
Linear
straight
motion.
line, without bending, anywhere they should not turn. If they turn little also gone, children. Suppose like they are going like this. Somewhere in the middle, they went like this. This will become distance, whereas displacement is this much only. Be careful, children. In linear motion, distance and displacement are equal. Next, what is the duration of time interval needed for a uniform and non-uniform motion? What is duration of time interval needed? Uniform or non-uniform motion? Children, the time duration can be small or large. Okay. Serious and CNC. Uniform velocity means in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform motion means unequal intervals of time. Okay, children. Next question. Next, Give two examples of non-uniform motion in your daily life. A car going in traffic jam. A car going in traffic jam. Or yourself walking in crowded street. Anything you can do. What air movement you give? Okay, air movement also fantastic. Okay, so I'll give a technical term used for the rate of motion of a body. Rate of motion is called what? Rate of motion is called what?
Speed.
Speed. Rate means what? By time. Rate means by time. In physics, rate means by time. Distance by time. Displacement by time. Instead of saying by time, you will say rate of distance. Rate of distance is speed. Rate of displacement means velocity. What is the SI unit of speed?
Meters.
Meters per second.
Meters per second. Is it true that specify the speed of an object are required only its magnitude? Children, speed is vector or scalar?
Scalar, sir.
Scalar.
Scalar, sir.
means magnitude is present, but no direction.
No direction.
Direction is not there. What is rate of change of velocity is called? Rate of change of velocity is called
Acceleration.
acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration.
Acceleration.
What is the unit of acceleration?
Meters per second.
Meters per second.
Square. Meters per second square. Meters per second square. Units for acceleration. Okay, children. The remaining motion will go tomorrow, children. You should be very, very perfect with